Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by combining the essentials: milk and cocoa. Heat 2 cups milk gently over medium-low so proteins don't seize and flavor develops. This prevents scalding. While warming, whisk 2 tablespoon unsweetened cocoa with 1-2 tablespoon sugar and a pinch of salt in a small bowl to ensure smooth blending. Once the milk is steaming but not boiling, add a few spoonfuls of the warm milk to the cocoa mixture to make a slurry. This technique prevents lumps and yields silkier hot chocolate. Once the slurry is smooth, pour it back into the warm milk while whisking steadily. You want a low simmer so the cocoa integrates without separating. You should whisk in small circles and scrape the pot's bottom to avoid film. For flavor depth, add 1/2 tsp vanilla or 1/4 tsp cinnamon now, because heat releases aromatic oils. If you want silkier texture, stir in 1 Oz chopped dark chocolate and let it melt completely. This boosts mouthfeel and balances sweetness. You finish by removing from heat just before it boils and frothing briefly with a whisk or handheld frother to create a light foam. This improves texture and presentation. Pour into cups and top with whipped cream, marshmallows, or a dusting of grated chocolate for contrast. If the drink becomes grainy, reheat gently while whisking vigorously. If that fails, pour through a fine sieve into a clean pot and whisk again. Make sure to taste and adjust sugar or salt before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.